Whether you work in smash repair, on-site servicing, engineering, or mechanical environments, it will always be a challenge to protect your valuable components from hazardous conditions. I'd like to introduce you to the Magnoshield Protective Curtain, an innovative product that pairs a premium fire-retardant material with industrial strength magnets to stop dust, debris, and sparks from leaving costly marks. My name is Jack Moorhead and I'm the founder of Magnoshield. Working in smash repairs and vehicle restoration for 20 years, I've relied on all types of protective curtains and blankets to keep my work area safe. After being let down a few times, I set out to find a better solution. In this video, we'll outline what sets the Magnoshield apart from other options. This material was scientifically developed to maximise fire resistance in a lightweight fabric for Australian conditions. Industrial strength magnets are sewn into the seams to enable flexible fitting with an impenetrable seal. With plenty of hazards in these work environments, we need to shield the people, equipment and valuable components we're working with. Without the right protection, you are at risk of product damage, health risks and time delays. The Magnoshield allows you to work in safe, efficient and profitable workshop while looking like a pro. My motivation to develop this product came from a costly experience I had 7 years ago. I was spot welding a quarter panel onto a Land Cruiser when a bad arc sprayed sparks through a sag in a fiberglass curtain and destroyed an expensive roof liner, removing any profit from the job. Since then, I have worked hard to develop a product that I believe every workshop should have. I use it every day and have had great feedback from peers in my industry. While the Magnoshield retails for less than comparable products on the market, this doesn't lower its value. By purchasing the two materials in large quantities and drawing on my own experience with upholstery for the labour component, I can sell this premium product at a very affordable price. Our website has further information with the ability to purchase online. Our shopping cart is secure and we offer free shipping Australia-wide. You can also contact me directly with specific questions or requests, and I'd love you to follow Magnoshield's journey on our socials for updates and special offers. During repairs, Magnoshield will minimise arc hazards, protect your interiors, glass and panels while keeping you safe. Don't let bulky, expensive and ineffective alternatives damage your product, profit margins, reputation and safety. Thanks for supporting Magnoshield, a 100% owned and operated Australian innovation.